Hi, in this lesson we're going to be looking at the drumming of Matt Helders from the Arctic Monkeys, and in particular concentrating on the track Brianstorm. In exercise 1 we're going to play the intro pattern to the song. This is based around 16th notes played between the high tom, snare drum and floor tom, with a steady quarter note beat played on the bass drum. This is a 4-bar pattern which repeats 4 times at the beginning of the song. And we substitute the floor tom for a crash cymbal on the first beat of the pattern of 4 bars. So every 4 bars we get a crash. This pattern can be somewhat harder to play than it looks on paper. It's pretty fast. The song itself is around about 165 beats per minute, and there is some sort of hand and foot coordination required on beat 3 when the bass drum plays on its own between the tom beats. In exercise 2 we're going to play the main groove from the song, which is a hand-to-hand 16th note hi-hat pattern. Exercise 3 is the 2-bar fill that is used a few times during the song. First appears when the vocals start around about 38 seconds into the song. Again, we're going to play steady quarter notes on the bass drum with a fairly simple snare and tom patterns over the top, but again watch out for some of the hand-foot coordination where the bass drum plays on its own, particularly on beat 2. The final exercise is a groove played again using the high tom, snare and floor tom, similar to the intro, but it's played with steady 16th notes, no gaps at all in this one. Be sure to place the accents correctly on this one to get the best effect from this pattern. The song Brianstorm doesn't really have what I would call a traditional verse-chorus structure. This pattern though appears around about 1 minute into the song, just after what I would call the end of the first verse. So as usual with these exercises, I'm going to be playing them with a metronome at 70 beats per minute. I'll then play them up to song tempo, which I mentioned earlier is around about 165 beats per minute, so it's quite a fast song, this one. So take your time, build your speed up gradually. If you have any questions, as usual, please don't hesitate to contact me, duncan@rosedrumschool.co.uk. Feel free also to visit my website, www.rosedrumschool.co.uk.